Kamusta ang lahat? Nako, kung nakikita nyo lang kung ano yung nakikita ko ngayon, tibahan, ang daming excited, ang daming nakabang, because we have someone special with us celebrating the 10th birthday of Huwag Organics. By the way, I am your host, Carissa, and like what I've said earlier, I am very much excited kasi po, umuulan, kanina sa umuulan sa labas ha, umuulan ng promos, ng deals na napakaraming pasabog na bonggang-bongga ang Lux Organics. And again, isang muna malakas na sigawan! Hello! That is the energy that we all want for today. Right? Because we have someone who is dear and special to all of us. Are you ready for this? Young kapamilya actress, model, and endorser, introducing the ever-charming and the newest ambassador of body care of Lux Organics. Let's give it up for Miss Francine Diaz! Palakpakan muna ng Miss Francine Diaz! Hello po! Hello everyone! Good afternoon! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Miss Francine, kanina pa sila nag-aabang sa'yo and they're really excited to see you.
Thank you guys! Excited na rin ako na makabati kayo. And of course, para na lang ma-reveal today. I'm so excited for that. Excited ba kayo doon? Ako? Wow, grabe.